How you doing? I'm Trenius and you're tuning into the infamous Living Realm Network. Thank you so much for tuning in, folks. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. Now, in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can use affirmations, I am affirmations, to shift into a new reality. Okay? And I'm warning you, okay? I'm going to just go ahead and tell you this up front. Just go ahead and give me permission by pressing thumbs up. There is no looking back. If you give me permission to tell you how to shift from where you are right now into your desired reality or into a parallel reality that you want to manifest, just give this video a thumbs up to signify and to confirm to me and the universe that you agree for me to help you shift into a new reality. Folks, I just got to say this. Just let me go ahead and say this. The universe is always working with you and is always on your side at all times throughout the day. Every hour throughout the day. Even though you might not feel like it, even though you might not feel like, things are working for you, the truth is, by secret law of attraction, folks, if you're using the secret law of attraction, everything, every little small, minute, microscopic thing that happens in your life every day, whether it is you meeting a new person, whether your car breaking down, whether you not having enough money to get what you want, and whether you being depressed, it don't matter. Whatever happens, if you're using the law of attraction, the universe is always working for you, okay? The whole key is to not be distracted by the distractions. You got to be able to look at the distractions with a positive mindset. Everything that you may think that's happening negative in your life, it's not really to come and make you feel bad or make you look at yourself like, oh man, I got to do better. Like people talking down on you, giving you criticism is not there to make you worse than what things are. It's all designed. The universe is designed to help you prosper, to help you become who you really, truly want to be. Now, I'm about to tell you something so powerful. I wouldn't doubt that some of you realities are going to shift in 48 hours, okay? You're going to literally go from where you are right now into a totally different reality, okay? And when I say reality, I mean you're going to probably make a big move. Something's going to happen where you have the money to make a big move. Or you might have to get out of a relationship. I don't know. Some type of opportunity is going to come to you to give you the key to another opportunity. Something massive is about to happen, okay? But I'm going to tell you how to use I am affirmations to do that. So first thing first, folks, check out my shirt. Living no time. Living no time. Now, why did they make that shirt with that statement on it? Why did the universe give me a shirt like that so I can come and tell you what this means? I don't know why even I bought this shirt. I just like the color black and red because it corresponds with the infamous Living Realm Network. But the universe gave me this shirt. The universe gave me this shirt, living no time. And you know why the universe gave me this shirt? Because time truly does not exist, folks. I know that sounds spacious. I know that sounds spontaneous and sporadic and out of this world. And I know a lot of people won't agree with that statement. But time really does not exist. We are just humans having a spiritual experience. That's the truth about what's really going on when it comes to time. If you don't believe me, okay, if you work, right? If you work and just say, things were going bad that morning, your car wouldn't crank. So you have to arrive to work 30 minutes late. You think you're going to get write-up. You think that you're even going to get fired because you may be on your last write-up. But how is it that your coworker ain't there yet? Yeah, your best friend, she ain't even there yet. He ain't even there yet. Oh, matter of fact, no, your boss ain't there yet. His office door is closed. It's locked. He's not even there yet. How is it that your boss is not there and your coworker is not there at the perfect time that you thought that you were going to get a write-up and you were going to be late? Because the universe is always working on your side. See, it ain't about time power, folks. It's about mind power. Mind power. And you can shift your reality if you are in the right mindset. See, so many people give their power away to everyday circumstances and situations that come into their life every day. And they wonder why they keep going in the same habitual pattern. They wonder why they're in the rat race. They wonder why they can never get out. They wonder why they're not happy. They wonder why they're not living their best life. They wonder why the law of attraction doesn't work fast. Because it's all about what you give your energy to. Okay? No matter what your situation says, no matter what people tell you you're not going to be, no matter if people tell you you're not going to succeed, no matter if people not supporting your success, no matter what's going on in your surroundings, you can change it according to your mind power. Now, once again, the universe never really shows its face as much as you would like it to. The universe will never really give you a sign or a signal or some type of notification that is working with you, not unless you are using your mind power, okay? To the degree of how fast you want the universe to work for you. Okay, so that means you have to take your focus off your situation and focus your mind on what is going on in your mind. Hold the vision of where you want to be, how you see yourself, who you see yourself as, where you want to go. Hold that vision every single day. Hold it, even though you're walking and you could be walking like this, man. You're just chilling, just walking. But they don't know what you're thinking. In your mind, you thinking you in a whole different place, baby. Man, you in a whole different mindset. I do it all the time. And once upon a time, I used to wonder why I would just like zone out when people started talking to me. Like people would just be having a conversation with me, be like, yeah, Trent, blah, 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 yeah, and sometimes I'll just be like, I was thinking I was listening to him, but I really wasn't listening to him. I was in another world. I was in another mindset. But I didn't know how to control it at times. So when they would be like, Trenius, are you listening to me? I would be like, what did you say? And it would make them so mad and so upset because I was not paying attention. But see, the more you get into a habit, of being able to hold the thoughts in your mind while still living in today's present time, you will get into the habit of tapping into the divine. The divine powers of the universe are always working for you because you're doing right. See, the key is holding the vision in your mind. Hold the vision in your mind while at the same time using I am affirmations. I am affirmations is like God, folks. Okay, when you use I am affirmations, you're basically acknowledging the divine power, the force in you, the spiritual reservoir in you that knows all things in the world. There's a spiritual, powerful force inside of every human being. Okay, it's just some people don't tap into it. There's a spiritual force on the inside of every human being. This same power makes up the universe. It is called I am. It is called I am. This has existed since the beginning of time, okay? I'm just reminding you that it's still here. When you apply anything after I am, that's what happens in the universe. Don't you ever know, okay, put it like this. Don't you ever notice, like when you talking to people, right? You having a conversation, with your homeboy or something like that, or you on the phone after work with your girlfriend or whatever. Don't you notice how so many people, they doubt what they really want to do? That's why I be telling y'all, if you're subscribed to my channel, if you're subscribed to the Infamous Living Room Network, don't make no comment at the bottom of the video talking about I'm trying to attract $100,000. Don't make no video talking about I'm trying to get rich. Don't make no video talking about I think I might want to be rich. Don't make no comment like that, folks. Don't make no comment like that. Because what you're doing is you're just basically depleting the power of I am trying. Like I am. When you apply things to I am, folks, that's what's going to happen. So all the time, it's going to feel like you're trying and you're never going to actually get the result that you desire. Okay? Get into a habit of always using I am all the time. Because what I am does is it confirms it. It seals it. It puts it in stone. I am gonna be there on time. Not I might be there on time. Not something that I don't know what my boyfriend doing. No, I am gonna be there on time. I am victorious. I am at peace. Are you calm down yet? Yes, I am at peace. You're confirming it. You're convicting it. You're putting the spiritual power, the infinite divine power that is inside you into your reality, and it's going to make it just like what you're saying. So I am going to travel to this destination this year and go on this vacation because you know for a fact that's what you're going to do. I am is the power. I am is the power. I am is the most powerful affirmation that you can possibly use to shift where you are into a totally different new reality. Now, some of you probably asking the question like, well, Trenius, how is this going to happen? The more you become aware of the things that you're saying every single day, when you're having conversations with people, when you're talking to your husband or something like that, the more you pay attention to what you say based on the questions that they ask you or based on the thinking that you think in your mind, just ask yourself, am I really confident in what I'm saying? Like, do I really feel like I am going to do this? Am I really truly confident in what I want to do? You want a new job opportunity, but you got to ask yourself, you just like everybody else be like, well, I don't know, man. The interview was, the man in there was, he seemed like a dude that liked me, but I don't know if he really was feeling what I was telling him when I was telling him about my past job. See, that person ain't gonna get the job. This person over here, it's like, man, I went in there, I told him what I want. He responded to me in positive energy. I said, I am capable of doing this job. He said, I am probably going to hire you. You know what I'm saying? Like, chances are he's going to hire that person just because that person is, I am going to do this. I am going to do that. So your reality is going to begin to shift the more you get confident in the decisions that you're making and the choices that you're taking using I am. So I have to say that again. The more you get into a habit of being confident with the decisions that you want to make by saying, I am going to do this. I am going to do that. I will do this. I am going to do that. The more you get into a habit of pushing that confidence into your reality, you're going to override the whole universe. And the universe is going to shift. The universe is going to shift and it's going to give you what I am want. It's going to give you what that power in you said, I am what I want. This is what I am. I am an entrepreneur. I am a business owner. I am rich. We're going to keep speaking that. That's my favorite affirmations, folks. I am rich. Type it up. Put it in the comment below. I am rich and I have changed my reality. Type that below in the comment section, folks. I am rich and I have changed my reality. I am rich and I have changed my reality. Speak it into the universe right now, folks. I am rich. See, it's no looking back. There's no looking back when you do this, folks. That's the thing. That's the thing. A lot of people like try to hold on to the things that have just came into their life to just be a chess pawn. Don't you know some people come into your life? Some situations that you're facing right now is just basically designed to help you level up, to help you get to where you got to go. Some people in your life, you cannot take them with you, folks. You cannot shift your reality with some people that you think that you're supposed to be with. If you feel the feeling like, oh man, I don't even know if I'm really supposed to be with them, you don't need to be with them. It's as simple as that. Okay, the universe wants to take you from place to place to place to place to place. The universe wants to give you money. The universe wants to make you abundant. The universe wants you to be conscious of your health, eat healthy foods, have a lot of energy. The universe wants you to have love. The universe wants you to be in a great relationship. The universe wants you to have a husband. The universe wants you to have anything noble and of a good report. Everything that is good comes from above, comes from the universe. And the universe wants you to have that. But the only way you're going to be able to have that is if you say, I am ready to have that. I am ready to receive what the universe is ready to give me. I am a millionaire. I am rich. It ain't no, I might be rich. Or if I go play the scratch off, I might be rich. No, before you even play the scratch off, which we're going to play this Friday, I am rich. I am rich. I already know I'm rich. I'm just living the experience till I become it, till the universe provided for you at divine timing. When you say I am something, that don't mean it's not already done. It's done. You just have to already know how the universe works. It's always divine timing. That's why y'all seeing repeating numbers, because it's showing the universe showing you I work in divine timing. because there's really no time. It's just my time. And the time that really exists is mind power time, folks. Whatever you focus your mind on, whatever you want, using I am, you can have. Trust and believe that, folks. I hope this message resonated with you. I can guarantee you, if you start using I am more often and being confident in the things that you want for yourself without any doubt, without any shadow of doubt in your mind, without any worry about like how things are gonna work out. If you just say, I am gonna do this, I am gonna be doing that, I am gonna go here. If you feel like that and you feel happy and confident that this powerful universal force will help you, which is always doing it all times throughout the day, and it shows you that it's helping you. If you believe that, folks, it's going to shift your whole reality fast. My reality has been shifting so fast, it's been quite scary, man, but I'm loving it. I'm loving it because I know it's working, because I am great, you know? I am a great vlogger, you know? I am a wonderful vlogger. I've been speaking that ever since I started, and now it's already showing its fruition. It's already coming into my reality to show me, hey, Trenius, you're a great vlogger, because I got good people like you that tell me and speak up, let their voice be heard, and they say, Trenius, you're a great vlogger, okay? So thank you so much for tuning in, folks. I hope this video resonated with you. I hope you know how to use I am affirmations now to shift into a new reality. And remember, there's no looking back no more, okay? You just got to shift, okay? Everything's going to work itself out. You just got to shift. Now, if you want to do like I do, I plan out my manifestations, and I try to keep track of all the things that I've manifested and, you know, keep it organized in my little notebook or whatever. I think I left it in the room over there. But I try to plan out things in my organizer, in my planner, when it comes to the law of attraction and manifestations. If you want a law of attraction organizer, planner, a manifestation book to help you keep track of your manifestations, which works out really good. Like it's phenomenal the way you can write something down, and it does a big difference as far, you know, versus you remembering it. Okay, look in the comment section. Okay, I'm gonna lead you to the planner that I have, the organizer that I have for your manifestations. Go there, get that. It's very inexpensive. Okay, it'll definitely help you manifest things even faster. Now, for those of you who out there want to have this increased level of energy when you go out, you want to have a high vibrational level of energy, how about the I Am Rich gear? How about the Living Realm Network gear, folks? Like what I got on, but it says I Am Rich on these shirts, and I got phone case covers, and I got coffee mugs, hoodies, and all kind of things. I Am Rich. Check out the I Am Rich gear, which is also gonna be in the comment section of this video. Very new gear, very new gear. We just made it today. Purchase your gear today so you can have I am affirmations, I am rich on your shirt everywhere you go. That way your vibrational level will be peaking through the roof, okay? And everybody know, all right? So I'm Trenius Henderson, folks. Make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking up here, by clicking my face icon. Click that, and make sure you hit that bell notification so that you can be updated when I upload new videos every single day. You won't miss a peep on your cell phone. You'll get the notification. In the meantime, thank you so much for tuning in. Check out this video in the meantime. Check out some more of my videos, folks. Over 1,160 videos, if I'm not mistaken. All right. See you in the meantime. Your reality has changed. Peace.